Immerse yourself in lights after I show you how to set up Hue Sync. Next. Hi, I'm Chris Fry. Here on Chris Fry Tech Guy, you'll find tech reviews and tutorials like this one to help make technology work for you. In this video, I share how to set up Hue Sync. You'll need a PC with macOS or Windows, the Hue app version 3 or later, Philips Hue Bridge and compatible color lights. If you do not have compatible equipment, or if you are like me and want more lights, I'll post affiliate links in the video description below. Let's get started. Open the Hue app, tap Settings, tap Entertainment Areas, click Create Area, select Rooms to sync and hit Continue. Select Lights,
Continue, make sure lights are on, and hit Lights are ready.
Position Lights, hit Test Area, hit Perfect Match if the colors are syncing, hit All Good, and got it. On the computer side of things, download the application from the Hue websites. I'll provide links in the description. Click Search for Bridge. When you find the bridge, agree to the terms and conditions and hit Connect. Once your bridge is connected, you are ready to start exploring. Since Hue Sync is brand new, let's discover it together. Leave questions or share your observations in the comments below. Thank you for watching Chris Fry Tech Guy. I'll see you next time.